Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the exciting world of Anchia, a culinary gem that promises to add depth and warmth to your cooking. Its distinct, earthy notes can truly transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Not only is Anchia delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients, making it a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. Get ready to discover how easy it is to prepare this incredible ingredient right in your own kitchen. You'll be amazed at its versatility. The first step to a perfect Anchia dish is proper preparation, which is incredibly straightforward. Start by giving your Anchia a gentle rinse under cool, running water to clean off any surface impurities. Afterwards, it's crucial to thoroughly pat each piece dry using paper towels. This ensures a beautiful sear later on. Finally, slice your Anchia into uniform, bite-sized pieces so everything cooks evenly and beautifully. Now, let's get cooking with the most popular method: sautéing. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite olive oil in a non-stick pan over a steady medium heat until it starts to shimmer gently. Carefully add your prepared Anchia, making sure to spread it out in a single layer for optimal browning. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it achieves that beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy texture. To truly elevate your Anchia, consider some simple flavor enhancements. In the last minute of cooking, toss in some finely minced garlic and a few sprigs of fresh herbs, like thyme or rosemary, for an aromatic boost. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving will beautifully brighten its rich, earthy profile, adding a zesty finish. Don't forget a sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to tie all those wonderful flavors together. Your perfectly cooked Anchia is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately as a fantastic standalone side, or get creative by incorporating it into your favorite pasta dishes, vibrant salads, or hearty grain bowls. Remember to always taste and adjust your seasonings right at the end to achieve that perfect balance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices or oils. Discovering new combinations is part of the fun of cooking with Anchia.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.